everybody. Welcome to our channel. My name is Josh O'Shea, and I've got with me...
I'm Shayla Chatto.
And we are the Alpine Peaks team here in Evergreen, Colorado. We are so excited to show you our brand new listing. It went live today. It is 7569 Whispering Brook Trail in Evergreen. And we're talking almost 10 acres of really nice meadowland that you also get mountain, crazy mountain views, access to Brook Forest Reservoir that you can walk over to, and then you have walking distance to Maxwell Falls. But let's dive into this home. So, Shayla, show us what we got here.
Sounds good. Okay, so we've got a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Like Josh said, almost 10 acres worth of land, which you can use for equestrian too. So anybody who owns horses is able to use that for their horses. Beautiful property.
It's pretty sweet. It's pretty nice. Okay, so front door is about 9 feet tall. We're going to dive into this and just go through photo by photo. It has an outdoor fireplace right here, which I think is super cool because that's indoor and outdoor fireplace. So it's like that indoor-outdoor living. Big 2-stall garage. It's way oversized in this one. It also has 2 EV ports if, you know, that's definitely you're looking out for the environment and you want those electric vehicles. They have it already, and then Starlink comes with it. So this is kind of a high-tech house for living in the mountains here.
And brand new. It was built in 2022. So yeah. It was finished November of 2022, and it's been hardly lived in.
But look at it. Sweet house. We're just going to let these photos roll through.
Huge windows in the front. Yeah. Let in all that natural light, which is awesome too.
And I mean, like Shayla said, 2022, this house is brand new. It was finished November 2022. It's been lived in for like a year and a half and has everything. The conduction oven. So you get that instant hot water boiling. They have a whiskey barrel sink. Like, that's pretty dope. Love it. It's a super fun house.
And heated floors.
Yeah.
That was my favorite
Radiant
feature
heated
of the house.
floors.
Yep. The heated floors, because it does get cold up in the mountains.
And these tiles in here are massive. They're over 3 feet long. So, I mean, you have super high-end materials being used here. Even the windows are triple pane. Extremely nice windows. A ton of overhead lighting in this house. They even have those fancier blinds. In some rooms, they have power blinds. And they also have rain gutters that are leaf stopping rain gutters. So I think they spent almost $7,000 on these rain gutters to make sure that you didn't have to climb up there every summer and have them cleaned out. So.
And a fun fact too is each countertop in the house is different.
Yeah.
It all meshes very well together, but they're all different countertops.
Yeah, and what I love about this is, like, you have that meadow land. So if you have horses and you need to pasture them out there, you still, but then boom, you get massive mountain views, the reservoir over here. It's kind of a unique spot, you know. It is something that doesn't pop up in Evergreen too often. And we're just excited to bring it out here to Evergreen to have, you know, brand new homeowners come and get a brand new house. So if you're making that move out to the mountains of Colorado and you're specifically wanting to stay within that 45-minute distance of Denver, this would be a sweet spot for you because you can bring your horses, you can have mountain views, you have Cub Creek running through, so you have a natural spring running through here, and you get a brand new house. So, you know, those life safety items that you're like, is the roof good? Is the windows good? How old's the furnace? Everything. It's a year and a half old.
Yep.
You got a baby here. So that's what we wanted to show you on this first video is our brand new listing. And if it's something that you all enjoy watching, we have a lot more coming up. So make sure you hit that bell, give us that thumbs up, and subscribe to every one of our new videos that are going to be coming out. We're going to try to do one a week. If you guys remember me, I'm that native Evergreen boy here. I've lived here almost 31 years, and we know it. We know the area. We know what it takes to live here. And we're going to make some sweet videos for you explaining what it's like to live in the foothills of Colorado. So stay tuned.